Hi guys, this is Abid. Textures plays a beautiful role in fabric painting. Hot wax create amazing visual textures with the help of different materials. For example, different sizes of the brushes, wires, sponge, dry grass, blocks and net. In this video, I tried to create textures in very simple way. You can use these textures in your batik painting. You can find different materials from your surroundings and utilize them in your batik art. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. Today I'm making marble lines with hot wax. Apply the wax with paintbrush. Make sure use the tips of brush bristles for lines. In this video I am using silk currently for batik. If you want to use any other silk you can use, process will be the same for every fabric. Let the fabric dry after painting. When the colors dry out, remove the wax from the fabric. I have already made a video on it. You can get the link from this video description and check the suggested videos link on the top right side of the video. Wax is removed now. Iron the batik piece 4 to 7 minutes. I used iron fixed silk paints in this video. If you are using silk dyes, iron the fabric according to the suggested video and follow the instructions given on the dye's label. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.